So yesterday we celebrated Thanksgiving in Canada, and come take a walk with me in my kitchen as I show you how we do Thanksgiving as a Jamaican girl living in Canada. So I started cooking at around 12 o'clock. I decided I won't be spending all day in the kitchen, and I was done by about after 2, by 2:30. By after 3, I was showered and ready for food, for gathering, for fun, for family and for friends. So what I had prepared, I did some escovitch fish, yes, Jamaican style, mac and cheese. Ooh, so Jamaicans can make mac and cheese, talk to me nice. Some chicken wings, I put that in the oven. And I also did some cornbread from scratch. Yeah, no Jiffy cornbread around here, girl. So last week, my son said to me, Mom, it's Thanksgiving. What are we doing? Are we making turkey and stuffing? I me look on him real good. I say, you remember I say your mother Jamaican, okay? He said, yeah, but I'm a Canadian. Remember, I'm a Canadian son. Child. So I said, okay, fine. If I do the turkey and the stuffing, are you going to eat it? Him said, no. Somebody said, exactly. I said, growing up in Jamaica, Thanksgiving was not a tradition for us. Since I came here to Canada, they said, you go to Rome, you do what the Roman do. Seem they always a help us in the kitchen. So for us Jamaicans, we not eat turkey. Well, my family, me, myself, and I, my family and my friends, we not eat turkey. So turkey is not a thing for our Canadian Thanksgiving. We go Jamaican style, as me say. So to me, I prep my mac and cheese, I grate on my cheese, and look on the mac and cheese, so it's nice and creamy. Tell me, what was your main dish for your Thanksgiving? Leave a comment below and tell me what would you be having if you would really like a bowl of this mac and cheese, right? Yeah, so I prepared all of this in 2.5 hours. The fish, yeah, we talked about the fish, the mac and cheese, the cornbread. I did some boiled potatoes. It was a little like corn boil, yeah, so I did the corn and of course some festival because we have escovitch fish, so we have to have a festival. And by the time that was around close to the ending, I had all the time to clean up, wash up, pot, turn down, and everything done. So now I guess it's time for me to go get ready quickly while hubby did his part with setting up the table. And so then my bed, I'm ready. And my other friends, they brought the oxtail and the rice and peas. What is Thanksgiving or Jamaican gathering without oxtail? Look how my cornbread look nice and soft. Yes, it was nice and soft too. So after we gathered, we prayed, we gave thanks, we had fun. And that's my plate I'll be eating. And that's our friends they're eating. And after it all, we played a little game. And then, see, me have to put on my bad dance. Hey.